Hey guys, welcome to Digit.in. Today we have with us something that would be quite useful if you are someone who's aspiring to be a YouTuber, a podcaster, or even a streamer. So this is the Blue Yeti USB microphone for professional recording. So in this video, we're going to be unboxing this product and also going over the features of this product. So now let's have a look at the box itself. As you can see here, in a very quirky way, they have given you the definition of a Yeti, which is a legendary creature that roams the Himalayas. At the back here, we have a few specifications. You can see that it comes with a mute button right here. It has a volume dial. It comes with a USB mini jack, a standard threaded mic stand mount, which is great, a custom base for cable management, and a mic gain control module, as well as a polar pattern selector. So now let's look at what patterns we can actually select with this polar pattern selector. So here you can see we have 4 possible settings for this. The first one is cardioid, which basically is great for game streaming, Skype and Discord, podcasts and voiceovers. So what this does is it takes the sound that is directly in front of it and captures that instead of capturing the sound from all over the microphone. The next one we have is omnidirectional. This pattern basically is good for conference telephone calls, for orchestras and other such things. So what this does is it takes the sound from all around the mic and it captures it, while this one only captures the one that's coming directly in front of it. The next pattern is bidirectional. So basically this is great for interviews where the person you're interviewing is sitting in front of you, or for instruments or duos when it comes to singing. So this pattern actually captures the front and back of the microphone, so the person who's sitting directly in front of it, as well as the person or the instrument that's sitting directly behind it. So that way you can capture duets when you're singing, or even if you're interviewing someone, you can capture both back and forth. The next one we have is stereo mode, which is great for vocals, ensemble choir and instruments. What this does is that it separates the right and left channel, which is great for ASMR videos. You can tell which side the sound is coming from, and it sounds really engaging and immersive. So now let's open this box and see what we get within. So the first thing you can see, we have a micro USB input here as well as a normal USB. And this is the wire, which looks pretty lengthy. Let's keep it to the side. Here we have a user manual, it looks like, in a lot of different languages. Next, we have a registering card, and we also have some safety paperwork as well. Now let's take off this and see what we have inside here. So as you can see, the microphone is nicely packaged in some thermocol so that it doesn't get damaged. Let's try and lift it up. There we go. So there's nothing else in the box, so we're just going to set it aside. And now let's look at the microphone itself. So there you have it. This is the microphone. This is how it looks. As you can see, it has this brushed metal feel, which is really nice. The top looks just like a mic with the steel and the grill right here. And you also have these adjusters on the side which let you tighten it so that it stays in position. So you can loosen it and let it go like that, and then just tighten it and it will stay in that position. As we could see on the box, you also have a few controls right here. The first thing we have is the gain. So depending on how loud or soft you want your volume to be, like in the recording, you can play with this. Always be careful about your gain when you're recording. And here we have the pattern selector. So the pattern selector, the first one is stereo mode, the second one is omnidirectional mode, the third one is cardioid, and the fourth one is bidirectional. So you can just flick it to the one that you would like. The front here, let's just adjust this so you guys can see. At the front here, you can see that we have the blue logo, which is in stainless steel and looks very nice. We also have a mute button, so simply pressing it will put the mic in mute. And you have a volume control right here. At the bottom, you have the mini USB input as well as a 3.5mm jack in case you want to put headphones on these. You also have this really nice stand, and of course you can also mount this on, say, a pole, which will give you a really nice studio-like feel if you mount it from your ceiling or something like that. And yes, that is it for the unboxing of the Blue Yeti. It feels very solid, looks pretty great, and has a variety of modes that you can use as per your own use case. So thank you so much for watching this video. We hope you liked it.